I've heard quite a lot of stories about how you started with AC/DC, but perhaps you can put the record straight for us.
Dead easy story. I was playing with Geordie. I got a telephone call. They wouldn't say who it was, you know, they just said, I'm sorry, we can't tell you who it is because of the fact that there's been a bereavement in the band and we don't really think it's time to let anybody know who the band is.
What?
I've never been for an audition in my life, you know, I can't go to London. I can't afford it.
You really couldn't afford to go down to London?
No, I was broke. I was very lucky. I had a good friend who lent us his car. And as soon as I walked in, it was like a real friendly atmosphere. They just said, oh, hello, and had a can of brown ale waiting for us. You know, the News from Newcastle, and can of brown ale. Yeah, come on, we know you might be nervous. But I was tired. I was knackered. I wasn't nervous. I was just saying, hey, let's do it. I've got to get back. I've got a gig tomorrow.
How much were you getting paid for that gig? How much were you getting paid for that gig then? Have you an idea?
Heaton Buffs. I think Heaton Buffs will have always been good payers. I think we're getting about 120 quid, I think.
Between how many?
Between four of us, which was like a big pay like that.
Now, when was this, when you actually landed the job with AC/DC?
That was 1980.
So it's like 3 years ago.
3 years ago, yeah. So it was, I must admit it was very...
C'est le sud, c'est en dessous du couloir, oui.
Ouais, c'est vrai.
Le sud, c'est en dessous du couloir.
Pareil que c'est bien pour Nick.
Mais c'est pas il paraît, c'est que c'est super bien.
On verra bien.
amis, je vous propose de terminer ce journal grâce à Patrice Drevet en compagnie du fameux groupe de rock AC/DC. Ce groupe qui se produit ce soir et demain à Paris est originaire d'Australie et il fait partie, on peut le dire, des 3 ou 4 grands groupes de rock'n'roll des années 80. On pourra le voir également au cinéma à partir du 10 décembre dans un long métrage dont le titre est Let There Be Rock. Patrice Drevet.
AC/DC est un terme d'électricité. En anglais, il signifie courant alternatif, courant continu. Eh bien, ce courant, il est passé en France. Jugez plutôt. 1 200 000 albums vendus. Une moyenne de 10 000 par jour, les 3/4 en province et pour un public de 13 à 25 ans. AC/DC, c'est le groupe le plus important de ce que l'on nomme le hard rock, le rock dur.